Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can export your data within ChatGPT. So if you want to see your chat history or whatever, just your data, you can export it very easily within ChatGPT. So first you need to open a sidebar if you haven't already. Tap on that. Then go to the three dots on the right of your name. Tap on settings and tap on data controls. So here you see export data. You need to tap on the export button, and this will give another verification or confirmation message. So your account details and conversations will be included in the export. The data will be sent to your registered email in a downloadable file, and processing may take some time. You will be notified when it's ready. To proceed, click on confirm export below. Just tap on this button and ChatGPT will create a zip file for you, which you can download and see your data. So this is the email. This is how it will look. You recently requested a copy of your ChatGPT data. Your data export is now ready. Please click on the link below to download your data. So just tap on this button and it will download the zip file. Mind out, because this link it was only available for 24 hours. After that it will expire. So I hope this video was helpful for you. You can export your data very easily. You can do it whenever you want. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel because it means a lot and it helps the channel grow. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.